Hello everyone. Today, I'll guide you through the process of uploading a video on YouTube. Step 1. Prepare your materials to streamline the upload process. Make sure you have everything ready. Here I have 3 essential files on my desktop: the video, a custom thumbnail, and the description. Step 2. Sign in to your YouTube account. Ensure you're logged into your Google account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it first. Once signed in, type YouTube Studio in your browser and click on the first result. Or go directly to YouTube and click the Create button in the top right corner. Step 3. Upload the video file. In YouTube Studio, click the Create button, then select Upload Video. In the pop-up, click Select Files and navigate to where you've saved the video file for upload. Step 4. Add a video title. Now, complete the fields with the required information. Since I already have a title ready, I can add it quickly. The video title is crucial, so choose something descriptive and engaging. Step 5. Add a description. Next, fill in the video description. A well-written description can improve viewer engagement and search visibility. Step 6. Add chapters. If your video is long, consider splitting it into chapters. Add clear timestamps and titles to help viewers navigate the content easily. Step 7. Include a disclaimer. If your video covers something potentially risky, add a disclaimer. For technical tutorials, it's a good idea to inform viewers about any risks involved. Step 8. Add hashtags. YouTube suggests using around 3 hashtags per video. Pick relevant ones that best describe your content. Step 9. Upload a thumbnail. At this stage, you'll add a custom thumbnail. YouTube can generate one automatically, but a custom thumbnail is often more eye-catching. Step 10. Add to a playlist. YouTube favors videos organized in playlists, so add your video to a relevant playlist if you have one. When done, click Done. Step 11. Set video characteristics. Specify if the video is made for kids and indicate if any content was AI generated by checking the appropriate boxes. Step 12. Add tags. Now, add relevant tags that describe your video. Avoid unrelated tags to keep your video optimized. Step 13. Specify video details and category here. Complete additional details like language, recording date, location settings, and category. Make sure you select what best fits your video. Step 14. Add subtitles, end screens, and cards. This step allows you to add subtitles, end screens, and cards. For this tutorial, I'll just set up an end screen, which can include links to other videos, playlists, or a subscribe button. Choose the timing carefully. Click Save, and then Next. Step 15. Publish the video. Decide on your video's privacy settings: public, unlisted, or private. You can also schedule a specific time for publication. In this case, I'll make it public, then click Save. And that's it. Your video is now live and accessible to everyone. Step 16. Check the video. Once published, it's a good idea to review the video to ensure it's running smoothly and that all chapters are correctly set up. You can also monitor your video's performance through YouTube Studio. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up. For more helpful content, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.